In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can screen mirror your iPhone to your Amazon Fire TV stick. Screen mirroring is super useful if you want to show photos, apps, or videos from your iPhone directly onto your TV. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But since Fire TV doesn't include the native AirPlay support on all devices, what we're going to do is actually start on the home screen and scroll all the way over to this little app section right here and scroll down to this app store and open it up. Once it does load for you, go ahead and scroll down and you're going to want to go to this little search option right here. Select the search option and go ahead and type in Fastcast. And you're going to want to go ahead and get the Fastcast app. From here, go ahead and grab your iPhone, open up the control center, swipe down from the top right, hit the little screen mirroring icon, and you should see an option that says Fastcast once you're in this app right here. Select that, and everything you do on your phone will now mirror to your TV. If you don't see a Fastcast option, make sure your iPhone and Fire TV stick are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If needed, try restarting both devices and check again. But that is it. That is how you can screen mirror here on an iPhone to a Fire TV stick. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.